we ukna puli jong Skul Alpha English High Secondary School Nongtdu ribhoi ulayo ban Rung Haka top 10 jong examen HSSLC jong com stream Haka balapan benar ke embos mentaka sngi kabalong ka jing sarong ka bakraw yaki kmi kikpa kinong hikai hadin ka jingla jong u ban le bha ya ka examen HSSLC ban pau khmat ru na ribhoi district Yaute Samla balawan haka top 10 latip kerteng kum Jagjot Singh Nongtdu khun jaga kong Dora Nongtdu basyong basa haka shnong paham sim nongpo ubala khur star marks habarok ki subjects bat khur hado sauspa life upra marks habayo banekran bat ute usama Jagjot Singh Nongtdu naka Skul Alpha English High Secondary School naka liang jong u ulapan pau ya kajing sngokemen ka bakraw hadin bagi jing tre shitom jong u baro kila urlong bat layo ru ban khai uso bathiang menta ka sngi hapadeng ka jing kemen ka bakraw rengkat ka jing aingu ya ublei badai Lyngba ka jing dan rengkat jong u baula poi sha ka te ka thong ula ai khublei ki nong hikai bat ki bahayeng ki bajudan hasenda ban kershan lang ha ka ne ka jing khun jong u ya ka examen bat don ru ka jing ang nut ban beteng ya ka jing puli ba kham chalor rengkat ka jing ai men sie mi ki para Samla bakim dei ban pelut kai ban pensurwa ya kapor henrei ban minute top ban pelut bon kenta ha ka jing puli khnang ba kin poisa ka thong ha ka jing im jong ki ka principal jong ka te ka school ka kong WK bla ka ai khuble kerpang ya ute Samla puli ba ula kentiu amtang ya ka nam jong ka district henrei ula kentiu ru ya ka nam jong ka school bat ya ka yeng ka sen.
When it comes to studying, you can just study like 1 to 2 hours per day. Take it easy. If you feel ever pressured, sometimes you tend to feel pressured, you can just take it easy. You can talk to your friends and basically just take it easy and work as much hard as you can. Bring honor to your school. My teachers and my parents, they inspired me to reach this level. They helped me a lot during my exam, supporting me, guiding me. And it's because of them that I reached in top 10 of HSLC 2024. To all the students, I would like to say just one thing, is that work hard, grow, and bring honor to your school, especially Alpha students. Let us bring honor to Alpha School. My next step would be to pursue BMS from a reputed college so that I can become a businessman, and that's what I'm hoping for.
Sen kum ka principal jong ka school kalau ka buram bat jing sorong ini menuwe kuna uyo ka common stream 10th position Jagjot Singh Nongtdu ho masya mo ni kuna u bat to hitom hi na du dang wet join kelas school ni na du kelas 2 bat to hitom kena kupsi bat kiba chule ba hi jing kule jong ki ho bat ni so penat ni ai ka buram juble ko ikinong hikai kiba de ko common stream but tunjuk kimi và kershan borba ya kun bahayem tu và lạ ban pun poi u sik ni buram baru oi ka ding jing te sitom jong u hiru ka ba u lạ ban ai buram ka school ya u ni ni be ka ni ka set
ken phet ka prang ba kai ro ke ek jing phet ngi bang ni ka school man shnam ka permi yu khna ni ka khna ha top 10 Teka jing per baka jing kaya pergi di school baka school ni zanti. Nen rane ka ega jipun kere. Mana kalian di PBI man Khubor na school.
Okay. Da ka buburam hinga so ba maro kino hikai ki school maro hikai ka ju ne. Ka don hi ka jing bentar ba kino hikai ki le ki kena school. Hendai ho i persyang man le ka we ka lo ni kambe atomi ki kena se ka ta ka si kambe atomi ki i kam wak iki lani ni siam ban laki don ke jintlot ang ni persyang ban yarap iki ban ho ke we galong ba ke yarap ya ki hibun ada ni la ban kam ai por iki ha school bat tunjuk ni ya don ke jinga dei ba ki kimi ki pa ban ha bungi ba ki don ki kena ki don jingkermen ju balak ban wan chakmat ni ong iki mi pa ba ki pet na yeng lu nang ba kun bikin wan cakmat bikin pas bah.
Kena kalian dah school tu baju don ko offer ke ni khna ko mi ha bala ni ba ka exam pun tam ya ki imbos.
Ni don ni syai ai kinja financial ni ba token ko hisin ai ka por ni net full station school. Bala ya ki class 12 ma ki la lek shabah te shibon tingim la hi Namar kena kibun dari ni pensulur. But ni I kerja financial assistance one time.